Hi, so this is this CLI tool which I've been working on for the past week. It's called peektea. Basically, peek first, open later. That means in the terminal you'll be able to browse files, folders without even opening and know what content is there inside it. So that's the whole idea. So yeah, for installation, you can just go to the install and just run the one line command, or if you have go install, just run go install github lifestack peektea at latest to get the latest binary. Let me just run peektea init, and yeah, I have a bunch of text editors. I can just choose Vim because that is what I use. Then file manager, Nautilus, then image viewer, Fair, and I already have Java installed, else you will probably get an option to install that as well. That is used for previewing images in the terminal. Let's go maybe into one of the directories, cpt. Yeah, I'm able to see all the directories and files present here. So first thing is, let me just try the first one that is open. So let me open this, right? It just opens Vim because that is the text editor I chose. And let's see attestation folder. So I'll open this Nautilus. I hit O and it opens in a fair, right? So that's the idea. And say I don't want to open it, but just view it in the terminal. I can just hit P and it just gives a very blurry image of the content. But okay, something is better than nothing. So this P is nothing but preview. So I can also preview what is inside this directory. There is a text file. I can preview that as well on the right side. Only thing is you will not be able to copy directly here because it's just one terminal. And then we have filter. So I can just hit slash, then 4.8. It just filters for me. Yeah, we can show and show hidden files. So just hit dot and you'll be able to see the hidden files. Then we also have sort. So you can sort by size, sort by modified date, sort by name, right? Hitting Shift H or capital H, you directly go to home. So that's the whole small, simple TUI which I've been working on, and yeah, if you like it, just go ahead and give it a star on GitHub. I've also been working on more main project of mine that is called Git LRC. The link is in PT in the bottom section. This is Git LRC. It's a micro AI code reviewer that runs on every commit. So this is what we've been working over the past 5 months, and it has got a lot of traction on GitHub. It has received 1.3K stars and bunch of folks, and it was also number 3 product of the day on Product Hunt. So that's there, and I guess we can just quickly check what it is. So I've staged a bunch of files here after development is done, and I'll just hit git commit. And what GitLRC does is it just started a review right from the terminal, and you can see you should be able to skip it. You should be able to watch or abort it as well in case you have some small commit which doesn't need any review, but by default it reviews your code. So yeah, this is the review UI which runs in your local host itself, so you don't need to go to any site or do anything like that. And as you can see, I have 4 files staged, and the LRC is reviewing each of those files, and you can see the first comment has appeared in 42 seconds. And yeah, here we have a summary once the whole review is completed. This is slides. It is easier for you to know understand what code changes have been done in the particular diff. And say you don't want to slides, then just go hit text. There you should be able to see markdown, which you should be able to grasp easily as well. Uh, Usually it can go into your PR or MR description. Then, yeah, so we have four files, then we have six comments, and let's see what comments are there. So you see there is zero critical and zero error. Only six warnings are there, which is not that much of an issue, but okay to look at, right? And what I would do is I just copy the visible issues and I'd go through them. Then if I have Copilot, I just paste the whole thing. For example, see, it just copies the lines, the line number, the file name, etc., and it explains what issue is there over there. So that is about copy visible issues. Then if you have Claude, just hit send to Claude. You don't even need to copy anything. There is one more thing here, commit message. So I just typed git commit over here and without adding any message. So what GitLS does is it also creates a small commit message which is completely editable here, and you should be able to commit it and push it as well if there is no issues. But if there is issues, you can just do the same thing all over again, be better. I mean, you can just basically commit good code instead of reviewing it later in your PR or MR stage. So that's the whole idea behind GitLRC, and that is why we call it as micro AI code reviewer. So yeah, that is GitLRC, and if you liked the demo, then go to the repo, try it out. It just takes 60 seconds for the whole installation and setup. And yeah, do support us with a star and maybe fork it as well. And if possible, do share it with your colleagues and friends. That would help us a lot. Thanks. Have a good day.